Hello and welcome back to And We Rollin', and welcome to the first video of the holiday season. I missed you guys, I missed the garage, but we're back now. So I figured the first thing we should do is answer some questions you guys had regarding the state of the garage and where some of the cars are. Then after that, we'll finally reveal our replacement for the Lamborghini Aventador. Guys, drop a comment down below. What do you think we replace the blue Aventador with? But before we get into that, let's go ahead and head over to the workshop and answer some questions. Alrighty, you guys. Now that we're in the workshop section of the garage, I figured I'd answer where's the Huracan, where's the Aventador, and also just give you guys slightly a tour of what's going on in the workshop. I know somebody wanted the full video, full tour of the garage, full tour of the workshop. That video is coming, but until then, I'll show you guys what's going on in here. So, first things first, we have the AMG GT, one of my favorite cars. This thing needs a lot of work, needs a motor, receiver, drivetrain, everything underneath basically, and then a cosmetic restore. Not sure when that's going to happen, but it will happen one day. Underneath that, we have the chassis for my blue Aventador. I crashed the blue Aventador. I'm not sure. Oh no, we had a video on that. Yeah. So I crashed the Aventador, and basically I just wanted to repaint it and have it look, nice and new and stuff. So technically, this chassis runs. It's just cosmetic stuff's going on. One day, that'll be put back together. Next to that, some of you guys might remember that we took the Hummer apart and it is still apart. I'm honestly not sure what direction I want to go with it. I feel like we've done a lot of fast cars or along those lines. And I'm just like, I kind of want something to off-road. I kind of want to go a different direction with the Hummer. But at the same time, I'm like, hey, we speed and we crash cars. That's what we do around here. So I don't know. Eventually, I'll figure out what to do with the Hummer and get that put back together. Next to that is the STO and the elusive Huracan. So the STO is in the garage because I may have been doing some donuts, which you guys may have seen in a previous video, and the car may sound like garbage when it's running. So I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with this thing. I've been trying to fix this in the background for a while now, and I just can't seem to figure it out. It just keeps grinding gears or grinding something. I don't know what the noise is. One of these days, I'll probably have to record that sound for you guys so y'all can help me out and tell me what's going on with the STO if I don't figure that out soon. Above that is the Huracan. Now, the Huracan, I crashed this one. I'm not sure if I said too much about it. I kind of was just testing it out one night and I wasn't paying attention. Guys, pay attention while you're driving. Always pay attention while you're driving. Anywho, this is where it's at. It's been here for quite a while because I'm feeling a little ambitious with this one, and I didn't really want to show it to you guys until it was done. I was honestly hoping that nobody would notice that it was gone.
But you kids started snooping around and ruined it for me.
But obviously that's not the case. So this is it. This is where it's at. My plans for this, I'm not really gonna say, but I'll just show you guys this. This is the body, and some of you guys might be able to tell that the hood has been cut out of it. And that is a test of a new hood that I have for it. And I'll let you guys try to guess where I'm going with this. Just know that it's going to take a while, and I didn't want to keep you guys waiting around for me to finish it. So in the background, I've been shooting a series about what's going on with that, and I'll drop those videos when the car's actually done so that you guys aren't waiting. But just know I cut the hood off of this thing months ago, and I've shot exactly one video for this. So yeah. And in the far corner of the garage, We have the Bugatti Veyron, the Ferrari SF90, and the Ferrari FF. My Ferrari FF is sitting on custom Volsens, but as you guys know, it doesn't run. I don't think it's ever ran for the entirety of this channel, but we are going to change that soon. The SF90 does run, however. As some of you might remember, this was my daily driver for quite a while until I broke one of the wheels, which happened to be sitting back there. The only thing wrong with this car is that the steering doesn't work for whatever reason, and the wheel alignment in the back is off, which I don't like, but we're going to fix that soon too. Finally, my Bugatti Veyron. Y'all know for the longest time, this was the car that I was using like every day. It's got Bluetooth music. It's the fastest car on this channel, which you guys have never got to see because I always crashed it right before we were supposed to speed test it. At the moment, it doesn't run. I think I took the parts from it to build other projects. So that's why it's sitting so low, because it doesn't have springs anymore, like any suspension springs. I think I took the motor, the receiver. So this thing needs a complete rebuild, the drivetrain. We're going to do that soon. A lot of things coming soon. But what I can say is coming right now is we're finally going to head back upstairs to the workshop and check out the replacement for the Aventador. Alrighty, I guess I kept you guys waiting long enough. So, last chance. What do you think we got to replace the Aventador? Going once? Going twice? We got an SVJ. Alrighty, you guys. I think that's going to do it for this episode. Let me know. Do you like the SVJ? Honestly, I saw something and I think we should get it, so the SVJ may not be around for long. Next episode, we got to get the Porsche to the workshop. It doesn't want to start, but that should be an easy fix. And next episode, we'll take the cover off of this vehicle right here. Go ahead and get your guesses in early. What's underneath this cover? Anyways, we'll find out next time. Until then, let's keep it rolling.